Hello viewers, so we are continuing our discussion with Balram Prasad. If you have not watched our previous video, please go and watch the previous video because this is a series of interviews, so you can get the previous question what we have asked. So this round is for how to prepare for an interview, what all you should be looking at, what all you should be preparing. So Balram is helping us to understand how a candidate should be ready for an interview. So we'll continue the discussion. Thanks, Balram, for giving us again the time. First question that we would like to ask, like, how important is the wearing formal dress help? Should the candidate wear formal dress or casual in an interview, being a fresher?
Yeah, it depends on where you are going for interview, but be safer side and go into trouser and shirt. You should not go in some different clothes because there is no rule about it. So, but yeah, it totally depends on the person who is taking that interview. So, as you are fresher, I would suggest that go in formal interview.
Okay. Okay, and many times I have seen the freshers have copy CVs, the answers. They just memorize everything from the internet and books. So how important it is to be original instead of copy someone in an interview.
Yeah, it is because in interview you are going to be asked the same question whatever you have put into the CV, right? And maybe that same question you will not get in the internet. So you I don't know that you will be knowing that one. Even if you study that one, then only you should be knowing that question. So you can do that one. You can copy that one, but down the lane when interview progresses, people will know that what you know. So better to write whatever you know. Don't copy too much over there in the CV itself.
Because so honesty is important.
Yeah,
Don't,
honesty is important.
yeah, don't say anything which you don't know.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And knowing about the job and roles, how important it is, like the role that you are applying for.
Yeah, it is because if you know the company and role, the very first thing that company, then you should be knowing that how that interview process goes over there, how much round it is going to be. And also that if you know the role, that which role you are going to be, then you can find some information that what kind of interview and what deep they are going to be in interview. And also if you go for first round, if you are asking about feedback or you ask about that, hey, what is the role, how the team works and what technology works, it might help into next round of interview. So you should be asking and you should be knowing these questions.
Yeah, right. So this, like typically after every round, interviewer asks you at the end if from the candidate, like if they have any question for the interviewer, they should be asking these
Yeah.
things.
Yeah. So yeah, you should be asking these questions to them, so that they will also feel that, hey, you are pretty engaging, you are pretty interesting in this job, you are interested on that job, and you will get that internal thing that how that company works, how that team works, what is the different technical processes are there, so that you can, if you have a gap of 1 day or 2 day in the next round of interview, you should get the time to prepare that kind of mindset, right? Because maybe in the next interview will think that this kind of question they can ask about that one. So yeah, it is helpful always.
Okay, and people do write about hobbies on the CV. How important it is for a fresher?
Yeah, frankly, I have not seen that this is being useful because nobody hires you based on your hobby, right? Nobody hires based on your geographic location also. If you are good in something, they will hire you based on your interviews and other things. Hobby is, I have not seen that useful, so I don't think so.
Okay, and what sort of role does it the HR round play? Like, is it necessary to after conducting or passing the technical round, HR round, how important it is?
So HR round is generally that when happens that all the technical rounds are clear and you are good to hire. Now they have to discuss about benefits and they can go with set of question about behavior, right? how you are good fit for team, maybe because maybe people who is taking your interview, technical interview, they have not gone with that details, that mindset. But yeah, it is when you are went through all the technical round, it is mostly that you are going to be hired. If you don't do pretty bad into that HR round, but yeah, it is just formality kind of thing, and the HR discussion, the benefit discussion, and other things.
Okay. So I guess we have covered most of the non-technical question. Typically, these questions I have gathered from various freshers student who ask us like, what should we, how we should be ready or prepare for an interview. So today we discussed that, and Balram helped us to understand how we should prepare for an interview. So in the series of videos, we'll proceed next, and do like and subscribe the videos. We'll go for the technical rounds in next coming videos. So keep watching the channel. Thank you, Balram, for
Yeah,
that.
please reach us to us. In case of any question, any help, we are there. So we will help. You can
Yes.
connect with LinkedIn, Twitter. So that's it.
Yeah, and this is a platform actually. So if any of one of you have any question, do write in the comment box. And if when any of you wanted to share your knowledge on this channel, please write in the comment box your email ID. Will contact you. Yeah. Thank you.